Okay, fam, let's see what's going on in Aldi. Got my quarter. Okay, fam, this is what I got from Aldi. I got these plant steaks here. These are $3.99. You get 4. You know how expensive these are at Lowe's or Home Depot. So, you know, during the season when they have things on sale, this is the only way I can get my garden together on a budget. Potting mix, $4.99. Let's see, what is this? 1 cubic foot. This is half the price of every place else. And then I need this little stake for my monstera, my indoor plant. So that's what's going on. I got 6, and so I'm still on budget. About $50 I spent today.